So here we have the Mini 5-door hatchback on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of the car. From the outside you can see it's got alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. We approach the back of the car, you can see we've got plenty of boot space given the size of the vehicle. We do have a 60/40 split folding rear seat so that you can increase this space further should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side, speedometer in the centre, and the fuel gauge over on the right-hand side. Within the speedometer, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 67,454. You can change information displayed above that for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and if you wish to, you can have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed there, as you can see. Over into the centre, we have the main stereo. We're on the main menu at the moment. You can access anything on the menu using this dial, or certain menus directly from here. So for example, the radio, where you can see you've got FM, AM and DAB radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you've got USB input and auxiliary input. You can also pair your phone from on here as well. Below that, we have our air conditioning. You can determine the direction of the air, temperature, fan speed. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you set there. We've got a heated rear screen, of course. We can turn the traction control on and off. This button starts and stops the engine for the car. This turns off the stop and start, which is different. This vehicle is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that orange light shows. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB and auxiliary inputs, and then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.